Nah, go make them kill me off at all. Yes, top of the morning, you know, so yes, we just kind of rise up and we want to start on the day today, you see me? Today we want to introduce some of the people them to the Canada weather. The weather itself, yes, the weather. We are talking about the weather, yeah man. So we're going to get tuned up, you know what I mean, like fresh, get ready. And we're gonna go outside and we're gonna stroll for a bit. We're gonna show you guys, introduce you guys to the Canada weather. This weather ain't no play. Someone who can see this, know what we are talking about. Alright, so watch and bear with me. You know what I mean? This is a new channel and I work with it. I want to know work with me. Yeah, someone want to know like, subscribes. Yeah, me, and comment, you see me? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, we want to show some love, see? So, tune with me, and we'll be right back, alright? Up! Guys, so just getting some breakfast right now to go away. Yes, getting the tummy fill. So we are making some fried breadfruit right now. Fried breadfruit, yes, baddest thing come from Jamaica. Fry some plantain. Usually these things take up a lot of oil, so I put it on the paper towel to bleed it out, let the oil come out of it. So you look at it, look at all of this, that's the oil from it. So they take a lot of oil, so you guys gotta be careful when you fry these things. They call it plantain. Plantain is like this, it looks like a banana. Yeah, yes, so yeah, it's a little bigger than the banana. Yeah, and now I'm making some eggs. I put my eggs here, separated, and now I'm just getting the rest of this going, the breadfruit. These things as well, they take a lot of oil in it. So you guys, if you are frying it, you gotta make sure you put it a little bit aside for a couple minutes to bleed the oil out. Yeah, so this is my breakfast, and then I'm gonna hit the road. Yeah, yes, see me I know. This is the after result. Is it planting? I don't know if the lighting ain't work properly with this, but yeah, after result. You see that? Planting, breadfruit, and eggs. Yeah, man. I got this drying right now, you know. Yeah, man. I hate that. So we're ready, you know. We're ready for the road. Yeah, so we're about to go up on the road right now, but first we have to go clean off the car. You see this? Full outfit. Yeah, man. Ready for them. You see me? Gotta prepare. We in Canada, so this is the life of winter. So let's do this. Well, we have to really watch this step too, because right now, yeah, car full of snow. We have to go clean off all of this. Yeah, man, we have to go clean up all of this off of the car right now. Yeah, man, full of snow. So we are gonna do this, clean it up, and get ready for the road. Alright, so Tune in. This is what the place look like. It's August. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, what everybody outside around the road. Watch out, bumper clot. The road is. Yo. Yeah, man, it's out there, man. It's out there. Beautiful Canada. Hey, someone who want to come to Canada, come see what really how this place like. We don't think a joke thing. Anyway, we're up on the road there, and we are show the people them what the place look like. You see me? Yeah, man. But love that everybody we are tuning can just give me a like and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man. So we just stay and do the thing, man. On the road, on the road. Driving in a rainwater, and them say I plane and the car kind of like a do the little dancing thing. Yeah, man, the worst on that style. Yeah, man, the car drift. Yeah, man, the easiest time for drift, you see me? Yeah, man, but me love it still, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good experience, you know. Yeah, man. So you definitely have to just tune in yourself to just adapt this, you know. Adapt this kind of changes, you know what I mean? Yeah. But nah, like, it's a beautiful vibe still, you know. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful vibe. Yeah, we just experience the snow, the cold, you know. Yeah, man. But you don't know, we are there head for the mall, and we are gonna try to see if we can see what's on sale. It's Black Friday, it's Black Weekend, whatever they want to call it. We can't get that correct, but don't beat me feet. Whatever they want to call it. Wow. Yeah, man, but we're there still. We are doing the thing same way. We're out there, you know, we are doing a little piece of the country, you know? Yeah. Alberta, Canada. On the highway, I may go very far, but put on my seatbelt, but you know, yeah. right now we just reached Best Buy and we are about to go see what they have inside there for sale. Not sure what I'm gonna get or if I'm getting anything, but just gonna go look around, see what's out there. And yeah, right now the weather is very shitty, very shitty. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so we're outside now, you know. Yeah, man, about to hit up Best Buy. $55-inch, $390. Yeah, not bad, right? 55-inch for $319. That's a TLC. So we are here in Black Friday sales, all the phones and stuff here. No sure what's good on price. I think this is one of the stupidest phone I ever seen. Wow, yeah, stupidest phone. I don't know if I would ever buy that. Wow, but perhaps a lot of people like this. And this is the what? The Galaxy Z Flip. Yeah, and this one is going on. Yeah. So this is what's going on here for the Black Friday sale, guys. Right here, as you can see, all the smartwatches. 5. Pretty much these are not on sale. And for what are on sale, right here, Samsung Galaxy Watch GPS. So that would be referring as